Unleash your creativity with the ultimate drawing tablets. From digital doodles to masterpieces, we're sketching out the best tools for artists and designers. This intro is short, engaging, and highlights the creative possibilities of drawing tablets, setting the tone for a video that showcases their features and capabilities. Number 5. Simbens Picassotab Drawing Tablet with Screen and 4. The Simbens Picassotab is an affordable standalone art tablet that comes with a pen and pre-installed drawing and animation apps for beginners. It features a clear 10-inch IPS HD screen, a large 64GB disc, and a powerful MediaTek quad-core processor that boosts multitasking abilities. The tablet also includes 4 bonus items worth $50. Such as a tablet case, drawing glove, universal power adapter, and pre-installed screen protector, with Wi-Fi, micro HDMI port, GPS, and USB Type-C port. You can enjoy entertainment and connectivity wherever you are. The tablet is certified by GMS, FCC, and CE standards, and comes with a 1-year warranty and excellent customer service. Number 4. Wireless Drawing Tablet XPen Deco Lu 10x6in. The XPen Deco Lu wireless graphic tablet is delicately integrated with advanced Bluetooth 5.0 chips, making it convenient for you to travel with. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and major software, providing you with complete freedom and a fully upgraded drawing experience. And the well-balanced texture of the drawing surface helps increase your workflow. You can customize your shortcut keys to tailor your own unique experience. Number 2. One by Wacom Graphics Drawing Tablet. The One by Wacom Graphics Drawing Tablet is perfect for students, teachers, and creators with its Chromebook certification, natural pen experience, and advanced electromagnetic pen technology. The ergonomic 2048, pressure-sensitive, battery-free pen is responsive and easy to control, giving you the familiar pen-on-paper feel for any drawing and creation. Registering your tablet gives you access to education software such as the Kami app and 3-month trials of creative software such as Bluescape. Number 2. VisionX S640 Graphics Tablet. VisionX S640 tablet is a versatile tool that can be used with different devices. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android 6.0 or above phones. It is a great tool for remote work, online teaching, and web conferences. With a compact design, it is easy to carry around. The tablet is perfect for drawing, painting, sketching, document signing, and art editing. It is also designed for OSU gameplay and suitable for left-hand users. The tablet has 8192 level pressure sensitivity, 250 pps report rate, and 5080 lpi resolution, which ensure smooth gameplay and drawing experience. VisionX S640 comes with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. Number 1. Wacom Intuos Small Bluetooth Graphics Tablet. The Wacom Intuos Small Bluetooth Graphics Drawing Tablet is a wireless device that is perfect for remote work, learning, and creating. The product is certified to work with Chromebook and it is easy to set up and use anywhere. The pen tray holds the pen in place, and the pen's 2 buttons make the creative process hassle-free. The included ergonomic EMR 4096 pressure-sensitive, battery-free pen is light, responsive, and easy to control.